If you want to set up an alarm clock on Google Pixel 10, first of all, we need to go to the clock app. So let's go to the app drawer, find the clock app, and let's open it. And then make sure that you are in alarms in the bottom left corner. You might be able to find some example alarms that we can easily turn on and off by tapping on these switchers. You can also tap on the alarm itself in order to customize it. You can tap on the time over here in order to just change the time, or you can tap on this section, on this whole panel of the alarm in order to find more options. Besides that, of course, we can create our own alarm by pressing this plus button in the bottom right corner. First, we need to choose the time when the alarm should go off. And there we go. We can also tap again on this alarm in order to customize it. We can create a schedule for the alarm. We can choose the repetitions. We have the alarm name. We can choose a different sound. We can use weather forecast, and we can even add Google Assistant routine over here. If you want to delete an alarm, then you can tap on the addition. So you can tap on the alarm in order to edit the alarm, and then over here in the bottom left corner we have the delete button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.